Nilfisk introduces the SC6000, a new generation mid-size professional battery ride-on scrubber dryer. Offering the latest technologies to ensure high productivity and optimal cleaning performance. With its user-friendly design, it is easy and simple to get the cleaning task done. Just jump on and get ready. The Nilfisk SC6000 is equipped with the efficient EcoFlex system, ensuring flexible and sustainable cleaning, not only saving the environment, but also your total cost of cleaning by not overspending on water and detergent. You will get a perfect cleaning result on rough surfaces as well as on tile floors. The innovative Smart Key system ensures that the machine is correctly adjusted at any time. The Super User Key allows detailed setting of parameters or full access for a technician, whereas the Blue User Key makes the machine easy to operate with preset functions. The maneuverable and compact SC6000 is the ideal choice for general cleaning in larger areas where fast and efficient cleaning is a must. The design ensures great visibility to the operator, good maneuverability, and clever settings for reducing solution when making turns, leaving a dry, clean, and safe floor. When having to swap from one cleaning application to another, the 3 different brush pressures allow for perfect cleaning results on a variety of different tasks. The SC6000 is up for any cleaning challenge. On the SC6000, you will find the scrub deck to be fully protected and side skirts using rugged steel doors with rollers to protect both the machine and your facilities from any risk of damage, also in a rough environment. For the extra tough tasks, the speed limiter will help ensure safe and ergonomic cleaning by reducing operator fatigue. All details have been thought through on the SC6000. The Smart Flow ensures that you constantly have the right cleaning solution adjusted to the speed of the machine, leaving no dirt behind. The durable ride-on scrubber dryer is built with the well-known high-quality Nilfisk components and guarantees a reliable machine that is always ready to do its job.